right way to do training need analysis. Are you struggling to identify what your employees need to learn to be successful? Conducting a training need analysis (TNA) can help you determine which areas of your workforce need more training. How do you do that? Step number 1. Define business objectives. To begin, define the organization's goals and objectives. This will help you identify which areas of learning and development (L&D) need to be addressed to help employees achieve these objectives. Number 2. Identify stakeholders. Identify the decision makers, those who will implement any changes, those who will be affected by the results of the analysis. It is important to involve all stakeholders from the beginning to ensure they provide input and buy-in later on. Step 3. Identify the gap. Identify the gap between the current state and desired state. Determine which skills, knowledge, or abilities employees currently have and what they will need to meet the organization's objective. Number 4. Analyze the root cause of the gap to identify the reason behind the skills, knowledge, or abilities gap. This will help you develop a plan to address it. Number 5. Develop a plan. Develop a plan to close the gap between where employees are currently and where they need to be. Include specific actions and timelines for each action to track progress and ensure employees meet objectives. Step 6. Collect data from multiple sources. Collect data from multiple sources, including employee surveys, interviews, focus groups, observation of employees in their work environment, performance reviews, and job descriptions. Step 7. Develop a plan of action. Develop a comprehensive plan of action based on your analysis of the data. Determine what specific steps you need to take to address the skills, knowledge, or abilities gap. Benefits of TNA include understanding employee learning preferences, making better decisions about introducing new materials, and more. By following these steps, you can conduct an efficient TNA and improve your workforce performances.